Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing some interior work on my 2012 G37X sedan. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be wrapping my headliner and all my pillars in this nice black suede color, just to match everything else. Alright, so let's get started. The supplies I'm going to be using is some Loctite spray adhesive and then just my black suede.
Okay, so here's the final results of the headliner with it installed back in the car. It came out very good and looks way better than the tan. I would definitely recommend it to anyone who wants to fix or change the color of their headliner. It only took me about 3 hours to complete. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.